What are Western Union's transfer fees like? This is what we're going to talk about in this video. Once you open up the app, the first thing you see is a $0 fee on your first money transfer. But what is the reality here? If I click on menu and begin a money transfer procedure here, so I'm just going to select a country which I will send to. I'll just leave it as the Philippines, $10. Let's see how this works. So first you will see the conversion rate here at the top. So currently it's giving us a good conversion rate for dollar to Filipino peso in this case. But how much will you pay? If you scroll down, you will see all of the taxes which you will pay, or all of the fees which you will pay for your specific transfer which you are initiating. And depending on the receiver's payment method, so how will they get the money? For example, if they do cash pickup, these fees will change, and also the delivery time. If you select, for example, bank account, then you will see that credit card is going to be a 30-cent in this case fee, and it is going to be received the next day. For a bank account, it's going to take 0 to 4 business days, and debit card is going to be the next day again, and both of these will have $0 fees for my specific transfer which I'm initiating. So if you want to see how much you will how many dollars you will pay in fees, you can just initiate the transfer directly here, and all of the information is going to be available on the screen, and you shouldn't guess anything. You needn't guess anything. Everything will be displayed on the screen. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.